You need to hear this if you're a content creator. What exactly does that term mean? By now, if you have been following our retirement author series, you know that there are lots of liars on YouTube telling you how easy it is to write and publish an ebook, a paperback, an audio book, or all three, and then sit on a beach and do nothing for the rest of your life while money rolls into your bank account. You know that's not true. It takes a lot of work to write and publish a book, especially if you intend to make a living from it. There are a few things that those YouTube gurus conveniently leave out of their sales pitch. Things like editing, cover design, formatting, marketing, and advertising. They make it sound as if you upload your masterpiece to Amazon and you're an instant millionaire. Believe me, I wish it was that easy. What we have here is a collection of YouTube gurus that we have followed and learned from. We thought it was about time to give you other people's guidance. We will get to keyword research soon. Omar El Takrori of Think Media. Why are there not more people talking about building a strong brand around your author platform? Omar really emphasizes connecting with your audience on a personal level, which I think is so important. You need to give people a reason to care about your work, and that starts with building a relationship with them. One of the best things about Omar's advice is that he practices what he preaches. His YouTube channel is a great example of how to build a successful brand online. He's constantly putting out high quality content that provides value to his viewers, and he's always engaging with his audience in the comments. Omar is big on using video to promote your books, which I think is a brilliant strategy. Video is such a powerful medium, and it's a great way to connect with potential readers on a deeper level. He also talks a lot about Amazon optimization, which is something that a lot of authors overlook. If you want people to find your books on Amazon, you need to make sure your listings are optimized for the platform's search engine. Omar has some great tips on how to do that. If you're an author, then you need to hear this. If you're serious about selling books on Amazon, you need to understand keyword research. And there's no one better to learn from than Dave Chesson. Dave is the king of Amazon keywords. Dave's website, Kindlepreneur, is a treasure trove of information for authors. He has articles, courses, and tools to help you with every aspect of self-publishing, but his focus is on keyword research. He breaks down the process of finding profitable keywords in a way that's easy to understand, and he provides step-by-step instructions on how to use tools like Publisher Rocket to take the guesswork out of it. But Dave's advice goes beyond just finding keywords. He also talks about the importance of using those keywords in your book's metadata, which is essential for ranking well in Amazon's search results. Molly Keyser, you need to watch this if you struggle with staying motivated as an author. Molly's work really resonates with me because she's all about the creative process. She understands that writing a book is hard work, and she provides encouragement and support to help authors stay motivated. One of the things I appreciate most about Molly is that she's honest about the challenges of being an author. She doesn't sugarcoat things, but she also doesn't dwell on the negative. She's all about finding joy in the writing process, even when it's tough. Molly is also a big advocate for diversifying your income streams, which is something I think is so important for authors. She talks about different ways to make money from your writing, beyond just book sales. I always find myself feeling inspired after watching one of Molly's videos or reading one of her blog posts. She's a breath of fresh air in the often overwhelming world of self publishing. Sean Cannell of Think Media. What's something people don't know about Sean Cannell? Sean is the tech guy. He's got you covered on everything from formatting your book to creating a killer cover design. Sean provides clear, concise instructions that are easy to follow. He also shares helpful tips and tricks that can save you time and frustration. One of the things I appreciate most about Sean is that he's always up to date on the latest changes in the publishing industry. He's constantly updating his content to reflect the latest trends, so you can be sure you're getting the most accurate information. Sean is also a big believer in using social media to promote your books. He provides practical advice on how to use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to reach new readers. Until next time, I don't think people understand how valuable these YouTube gurus are for authors. These are just a few of the many YouTube gurus who are providing valuable information to authors. If you're serious about making a living as an author, I encourage you to check out their channels and learn from their experience. Stay tuned for our easy and cheap ways to do keyword research and the expensive quick ways.